started a hobby, got frustrated, and then suddenly tinigil ko na lahat. This year, I promised to myself na I will do it differently. Kasi alam mo ba, I've tried so many hobbies na. Parang I'm doing calligraphy, watercolor, photography, basta lahat ng may figure, tinry ko na yan. Pero kasi, bakit parang hindi ko siya lagi tinutuloy? Parang I never become so much good in that kind of hobby.
At the middle of it, I'm gonna stop, I'm gonna be frustrated on myself, and hey girl, tama na yan, hindi ka gumagaling, try ka naman ng iba.
Parang laging ganon yung sistema ko eh. And because of that, I want to change something. I want to go back on all those hobby na tinry ko and let's see if may spark pa ba siya sa akin or na-excite pa ba ako dun sa mga yun. Pero ngayon, I'm choosing to enjoy the process, to show up kahit hindi pa ako ganon kagaling, and to try again and again para ma-improve ko yung skills ko on that. So I want you guys to come with me on this journey na mag-practice tayo together, na we learn from each other, and also just enjoy it along the way.